Okay, this is like a really different kind of vlog for me. I'm gonna explain in a second. Don't click away. I think this can be very helpful for you. It's 4:12 in the afternoon, and I'm kind of just getting my day started. To be honest with you, this is just one of those days that I'm not motivated. Can you see this? That's my bed. I didn't even brush my teeth yet. Ah, gosh, that's so gross. I didn't shower this morning. Today my objective is to show you how I get over this right here. This laziness, this not being motivated. I hate this. I feel like my whole day's just been gone and I hate this so much. I think that's one reason to do it. How do you get over this? Because this happens. If you have momentum going, you gotta keep it going. Because then I just know if I let today just pass by, tomorrow's probably gonna be the same. If that pattern keeps up, I gotta stop it right now. Like right now. So today, I'm gonna kind of show you how I do that. I mean, we don't have much daylight left. It's 4:16 in the afternoon. Sunset's like an hour. I hate this so much. So first off, what I normally do is I need to start feeling good again. I need to dress the part, I need to look the part, I need to be the part. So what I'll do is I'm gonna clean my room first, and then I'm gonna change. And then if I might look good, I might feel better by being clean. Start a little bit with some productivity to kind of start some forward momentum, not just go eat cookies and watch YouTube and Netflix like I've been doing all morning. This is part of the reason. I live in Hawaii and the weather really affects me, and it's been like stormy and cloudy the past few days. That usually kills my motivation pretty hard, so I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So stormy, this rainy, muggy. But I've been seeing myself kind of slowly go downhill the past few days, and I gotta stop that right now. So the first thing I do, I change my environment, I change how I look, I get ready, I try to feel better about myself. For example, today I had so much on my to-do list. Like I wanted to finish a client edit today and another client edit, and I wanted to do some writing for my YouTube video. I wanted to do all these things that I had a goal set for today, but I just didn't feel the part, look the part, I just wasn't motivated. So we're changing that. We're changing that. Bed done. Desk is clean, room is clean. Running out of time though. Sun's going down. Right now I'm doing a 30-day photo challenge where I take a photo every day and post it on my Instagram at BKRVlogs if you're not already following me. And I didn't shoot my photo for today that I'm gonna post on my Instagram later. The sun goes down at 6, and this is why challenges are so very, very important, especially in my life and my lifestyle. It's because I run my own business. I'm accountable for myself. And the fact that I can do a challenge is something that I gotta make sure I do every single day, kind of like showing up to work. Like if I post on YouTube every week, I have to do that if I say I'm going to do that. But doing a challenge every single day, make sure I always have some type of momentum, something to always do, because it's super easy to fall into the trap of just being lazy. All right, so I'm already feeling a little bit better. I brushed my teeth, I shaved out as well. So generally at this point, I start to feel better. Like right now, I already feel a little bit better. My room's clean, I feel clean. Normally I would take a shower, but since I'm gonna be going outside to do this photo challenge that I'm doing right now, I'm almost on day 30 of doing it in a row. I'm gonna be going outside doing some hiking, and I'm gonna get sweating. I'm gonna get muddy because the weather is super stormy. I'm not gonna shower because I don't wanna waste water, but generally I would shower. I would just basically just get ready for the whole day, even if I'm starting as late as like almost 4:30 now. So we're good, we're clean. All I got to do now is change clothes. Yeah, one sec. All right, clothes change. I mean, I feel better. I already feel better. I don't know if you can see, I think I look better. That's why I wear a hat. Because if I take my hat off, I look like shit. But then when I put a hat on, I ain't gotta waste any time combing or gelling or any of that nonsense, because I'm always on the go, I'm always sweating. So if I have gel and shit like that, it slows me the fuck down, and I just feel gross. I don't like the feeling of gel. So that's one of the reasons I wear a hat. But next, I already have so much more energy. So I think this is the big thing. If you're feeling shitty, if you're feeling down, I do think it's inevitable. Everyone's gonna have days like this. Kevin Hart, The Rock probably barely, those two people probably barely ever have those days, but I assure you they have those days when they don't feel 100%. The next thing we gotta do, and this is huge, that's why I love this photography challenge. It's acting on my passion for photography every day. So I think if you can do something that you love every single day, it's definitely gonna make you feel better in general. That's why I set this challenge of just doing something that you love every day. For me, it's photography. For you, it can obviously be different. All right, so we're all packed up, all ready to go. Remember, this is just to get ready for tomorrow, so tomorrow is not like today. You gotta start right now. I'll be back. So I wasn't kidding. The weather's so shit right now. It is raining hard. About to throw the rain jacket on and let's go do my thing. Right about right there. They call that dragon's tooth or dragon's teeth. I want to try to shoot that because look how stormy it is today. It is absolutely stormy. This is what puts a smile on my face. It gets me more energized. It makes me feel better. To hopefully not form this habit of waking up later today, not being motivated. Hopefully after doing this today, I'll be ready to do my morning routine tomorrow morning. I'll see you in a moment, okay? Bye. I failed. I fucked up. It's been like 2 days since I last was on camera. I don't know if you could tell, but I haven't shaved in like 2 days. It's because I failed. Like yesterday, I just ate like fast food yesterday. So the trend is starting. The bad habits are starting. This is where I'm either gonna be just a fuck face and just like be lazy as fuck. I'm gonna lose all my motivation and momentum that I had moving forward the past like, I don't know, 4 months or so, or I'm gonna fucking go after it, and I'm very aware of it. So my 30-day photo challenge ended 2 days ago, and I don't have any ongoing challenges at the moment, so I need to start a new challenge, and that begins right now, right here. We're starting a running challenge. I need to do this. I'm very aware that I need challenges. I need to be challenged, especially since I don't have a boss and I work for myself, and it's up to me to stay motivated. It's up to me to keep the momentum. It's up to me to take control of my life. It's all on me. I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have anyone telling me, hey, do this, or that. It's all on me. And well, I have you guys. So thank you guys for your support. So today we're starting a 30-day running challenge. I'm gonna be running on this beach right here. It's one of my favorite beaches here in Maui, but I'm gonna be doing it on the Strava app. I'll put information right here. So if you're visiting Maui or you live in Maui or anything like that, you can do the same run and challenge my time. We can actually do a fun competition together. So I'm really stoked about that, and something that I'll be able to have numbers and everything every single day. So we're starting a new running challenge. Let's get to it. Okay, bye. I'm cramping up so hard right now. My body hurts so bad, but it's okay. Don't be a bitch, Blake. Don't be a bitch. Don't be a bitch. Okay, so we did it. That's day one. So many times during that run, this is something that when I go into a challenge that I'm always prepared for, but I'm never too prepared for it because it always seems to happen. There's gonna be a time and a moment where you're not going to want to do it, that there's gonna be that moment where it's like you're either gonna quit or you're not. You just gotta get used to getting past that. Every time you see your mind steering in a direction where it's like, oh, I don't wanna keep moving forward, I don't wanna do this, you're either gonna quit or you're gonna keep going. And if you keep going, you really gain forward momentum like pretty hard. You're gonna fucking do it. So how do you get over that flinch or that moment where you just end up quitting? You just gotta get used to it. Repetition, that's my thing with it. That's why challenges work so well for me. I've become self-aware that I need challenges in my life. I need something to strive for. I need an end goal for me to keep moving forward. I need a purpose. And right now my purpose is to do this 30-day challenge every day and be held accountable and post an Instagram story or Instagram feed. Haven't really figured those logistics out quite yet, but I need to be held accountable for something. That's why I do very well at challenges. That's why challenges are a good thing to do if you want to get some forward momentum going in your life. Maybe you're depressed, maybe you're going through some shit, as you saw from me the last few days, from the clips from the few days ago when I first started this vlog. I wasn't feeling all me, I wasn't feeling all there. I was getting into bad habits, I was going downhill again, and that's gonna happen. That's life, shit happens, we all know that. So I'm gonna keep this train going. I'm gonna keep moving forward. I'm gonna keep going hard, and I hope this inspired you or motivated you. Maybe you're doing a challenge of your own, but I just wanna tell y'all, you're beautiful. Keep moving forward. Never stop believing in yourself. You got this. Always know that, okay? You got this shit. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, if you feel lost, you'll find it. You just gotta believe in yourself that you can. Keep moving forward, big kids. I love you. All right? Have a beautiful day. Let's get it. Over the years, I've had a total of 6 foot surgeries. I've had surgeries on my left foot, on my right foot. I have internal braces in there, I have metal plates. They've cut off bone spurs. My feet are just really messed up. This is because I used to be a big runner back in the day. I used to love to run. Now my surgeons, my doctors said you'll never be able to run again, Blake.